Hello everybody and welcome back to Jenny's the Crazy Country Couponer. And as promised, I got you more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information. So come on in, like the video on your way in, and share with your friends. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, like I said, I got all that good stuff in this video. And you want to know. So make sure you subscribe and have all your notifications turned on. So look below and hit that red subscription button and click your notifications. And that way you won't miss any of those deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information either. Alright, everybody. Like I said, I promised you more. And I got you more. So we're going to talk about a couple of gain deals because we've got a new 5 off of 20 gain coupon. And that means we can do gain any day of the week and save money. Or, well, of course, you can do it on Saturday and save even more. But these deals are so easy. I figured we would start with these deals. Because, I mean, they're even if it's your very first time couponing, going into the store, you can do these gain deals. They're that simple. Or if you want to teach your teenager, get your teenager in on this, it's that simple. Now, what we're going to do, first off, make sure you've got your gain coupons clipped, including your gain 5 off 20. We're going to clip this big $3 gain flings or gain liquid detergent, whichever one you want. Now, I have the flings on the paper, but you can get the liquid if you like. But we're going to pick up one of those. And then we're going to pick up 2 of these gain scented items. You can have a small space and a Febreze Air Effects, or you can have 2 Air Effects or 2 small spaces, just so these items are $3.30 a piece. Because we've got this coupon here. And if they're gain scented, make sure you scan and your 5 off of 20 gain and this coupon attaches to the products. Now you're at $22.45 and you're going to be getting off $11.30, leaving you an out-of-pocket of $11.50, meaning you're going to be getting that Febreze absolutely free. Yep. And you're getting your gain flings for only $11.15. Now, if you wanted to wait and do this deal on Saturday, you're going to add the gain dryer sheets for $4.50. That's going to bring you up to $26.95. And your coupons are going to increase to $17.30. That leaves you $9.65 out of pocket. And that is a winner chicken dinner right there for the gain. Next, well, we've got more gain. We've got this new save $4.90 on 2 13.4 ounces. Now, this is only attaching to 2 Pacific ones. And these are the original scent boosters and the odor defense scent booster, Super Fresh Blast, 13.4 ounces for $9.95. Now, when you pick up 2 of those, you're going to be at $19.90, and you're going to be getting $4.90 and your 5 off. That leaves you $10 out of pocket for both of these, and that's pretty much buy one get one free. Now, on Saturday, you're going to do this deal, and you're going to add the Gain liquid detergent for $5.50 because you've got a $1 coupon for it. Now, you also have one for your fabric softener and more fireworks and the Gain flings. So you could use that one, or you could use the liquid. These items here are $4.50, so that's going to put you a little short of what you need for your 5 off of 25. So you want to go with your liquid, which is $5.50. And that coupon looks like this right here. It's got the 2 gains and the bounce. Now, once you have your 2 gain fireworks and your gain liquid detergent, you're going to be at $25.40. So check that subtotal. Make sure you're over that $25 threshold, okay? And then your total coupons coming off is going to be $15.90, leaving you $9.50 out of pocket for 2 of those fireworks and 1 detergent. And that's also a winner, because basically you are just paying for 1 of your fireworks and everything else is free. Okay, here is the math scratch sheet for these 2 deals. And you can see I have them broke up to your everyday first, and then your Saturday ad deal. Now, before we talk about our newest glitch, I want to talk about the Friskies glitch. Now, I've had some people say they tried it and it didn't work for them. Do it in a pickup order. If it's not working for you at the register, put it in a pickup order. And you'll see it will work for you in a pickup order. Alright, let's see what else we got going on. Well, we got a new glitch, guys. It's an old glitch, it's a new glitch. It's glitching again. And this is the buy one get one free Airwick. Now it's doing a couple of different things. And to do this glitch, this is what you're going to do. You're going to pick up one of these Vibrant warmer refills for $7. And then you're going to pick up one of these refills for $6.50. Okay, these double refills right here for $6.50. You're going to pick up one of those. You're going to put your Vibrant one up first for $7, and then your one for $6.50. The $7 will come off first, leaving you to pay $6.50 for 2. Okay, or wait a minute, $6 for 2, leaving you paying $6 for those 2. Now, another way to do this is it is glitching and attaching to these 5 counts, as you can see. The honeysuckle raspberry and the driftwood sea spray. And the bonfire and crisp fall. And the watermelon and berries. Those are the 5 packs that is attaching to. Now, look at here. This is right at $25. And it's buy one, get one free. So, if you do this on Saturday, let's show you the math for that. If you do this on Saturday, you'll be right at $24.90. So let's throw in an Oral-B toothbrush and you will be at $25.90. And you got $18.45 in coupons coming off, leaving you out of pocket for 2 of these 5 packs of Airwick and 1 Oral-B toothbrush for $7.35, guys. Now, there is you 2 full-on glitching deals. All glitches, all the time. Now, another way to do this deal on Saturday, if you don't want the $12 ones, you can do the Vibrant and the regular one. And you can do a Suavitail, because we've got another glitch. And you can do this Colgate. Now, this Colgate coupon is not necessarily a glitch, but it is a really good coupon, because this toothpaste is $7.25, so you're going to be getting it for $2.25. Alright, We've got a new Earn, $3.50 on Snuggle Liquid Fabric Softener. And I know you're thinking, oh yeah, that'll go with our per sale deal and our store coupon and, you know, that thing going on right there. Well, that's what I thought too. But have a look, guys. This is glitching. And it is attaching to the $8.65 Suavitel Fabric Softener Field Flowers, making that $5.65. So, my other way to use this is to add the Suavitel for $8.65, your Colgate for $7.25, and your 2 Airwicks. You're at $29.40. You got $17 in coupons coming off. You're at $12.40. Your $3 earn will come off, and you will be at $9.40 for 2 Airwicks, the Suavitel, and the Colgate. And, well, I think that is a winner-winner, chicken dinner kind of deal. So that's your new glitches, your daily deals, a couple of scenarios for Saturday. And I want you to stay tuned and keep an eye out just in case you don't get notified. Look below. My channel address is in the description box. Copy and paste it. Go to the channel and save that in your favorite places. And that way you don't need to be notified. You can just come back and check every day when you get up. And if there's something new for you, you'll see it. That way you won't miss any of this, because some of this stuff is really time sensitive. So stay tuned. I've got a full-on glitch deal coming your way with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 glitches in it. We've got our weekly food deal, and I've got you a daily deal with $6 in savings, guys, on one little deal. And you know you want to know, so come back by, and I'll make sure I tell you all about it. Blessings.